What is up, everybody? So, got the idea to start doing a conversation in crypto, and we're gonna call it "Let's Talk Crypto." Um, my name is Evan Anderson. Um, been involved in the crypto field for a few years. I actually first got started in crypto back in 2017, towards the end of 2017, once everything went up, pushed up to 20,000 that first time. Um, and then it dropped, a catastrophic drop, kind of blew everybody away. Nobody was really prepared for it. We never actually seen Bitcoin get that high. Number one, so there was a lot of emotions tied to Bitcoin. A lot of people were very excited because of big gains that were made in a short period of time, and nobody was really expecting that first crash. Now that there's another cycle going on, uh, the people who are involved or have been involved since that time have seen a whole cycle happen. So um, the feelings of like the emotions, the sentiment that goes along with it are is still kind of the same, because you can kind of feel the energy when Bitcoin goes high. There's tons of people talking about it. Um, you have old friends calling you up asking you questions about Bitcoin who were never interested in cryptos or any of that kind of stuff before, and so it's very interesting just to see the way crypto moves and the waves that it's making and the cycles that it makes as we are right now in the bull market. I mean, in a bear market. Um, and the people who are smart investors or who've who've been in this position before, they're licking their chops right now and getting themselves in position to take advantage of the next upcoming bull market, which we expect to be, you know, kind of up and going in about another year and a half to 2 years, coming up on the Bitcoin halving, that's expected to be in 2024. Um, so it's just very interesting times with the market, whether it's up or down. There's always opportunities to earn. That's one of the beauties of crypto and the crypto market. Is that it never closes; it's always running, and so there's always different surprises that you can expect that are different. You know, just different events that happen, like unexpectedly sometimes. You literally can sit back and watch crypto charts like a movie at times. There's a lot of suspense. Uh, there's drama. You know, there's excitement. There's action. So you get all of these different things when you're dealing with crypto. That's one of the reasons why I love it so much. The opportunity to be at the forefront and be a pioneer in the industry, right? Because that's what we have the opportunity for right now, is to be pioneers in the industry of crypto. It's the wild, wild west right now. In the U.S., there's no major regulations or anything like that. So until there are regulations put in place, um, it's kind of the wild, wild west out here. So you got to be aware. You got to be careful. You got to be conscious of what you're doing. Mostly just being aware, so that you don't get caught up in any type of rug pulls or different things like that. Sometimes if you think it's too good to be true, honestly, it's probably too good to be true. So just be wary and just be aware, because nobody wants to lose money, especially uh, money that's just taken from them, or something that's just a straight up scam. But it's one of those things that you got to be looking out for when you're talking about crypto, and when you're looking to build your portfolios, or when you're looking to invest into various projects. You just got to do your research. You got to do your due diligence. You got to find out, about the people who are creating these different assets and protocols if you want to have success. You know, but that's what any type of business. You always want to do your research. You want to know what you're getting yourself into, So, but yeah, I love crypto, man. Crypto is here to stay. Um, I know a lot of people who think that crypto is just like a fad or a trend. Uh, they kind of said the same thing about the internet. And look where we are now. I mean, there's already research and development that's going on with crypto and with the blockchain, uh, of ways that it's actually going to take the internet itself to a whole nother level with the Web3 that's coming out, where you know basically your wallet is attached to the internet now, or you have an internet wallet that you make your purchases from, or and different things like that. So it's a lot of innovation, a lot of technology that's rolling out, um, that's starting to sneak its way into our everyday ways of life, and that's beautiful. It's really a beautiful thing. I mean, if you think about it, where were we in 95, 96? When the internet was first coming out, when it was dial up and it wasn't any type of JavaScript and automation and the HTML coding that allowed for video and different stuff like that. Before that, when the internet was just basically like all words, like a data file that you could just kind of send across, and now it's just evolved, constant evolution that we've all been able to be a part of. And so the same thing will happen with cryptocurrencies. A lot of people rejected in the beginning, and now we're starting to see a lot of those people who were early doubters circle back around, and now they are, they're trying to get their foot in, or making their print or impression in the industry. And when I say that, I'm talking about a lot of these major banks and institutions who shunned cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin away in the beginning, but now they're looking for ways to be the middleman between the retail customer and the Bitcoin itself. So they're gonna make sure they continue to get a cut. They don't want to miss out on their cut, right? So that's just what they do. And so now it's Bitcoin is becoming mainstream enough, and being mentioned enough, and being recognized and noticed enough till more and more people are asking about it. Wealthy people are saying, "Hey, why don't I have any Bitcoin in my 401k or my pension plan or my IRA, or the different retirement accounts?" They want to know why isn't any Bitcoin in there, because they're hearing so much about Bitcoin and what it's going to do, what it's going to be, and they don't have any. So, a lot of these main big institutions, they won't get in. And I mean, they're getting in now, and like you'll read reports where they may dump $100 million, or few millions, basically millions and millions of dollars that they're dumping in to Bitcoin now. But the majority, I would say probably about 70% of major institutions aren't investing in cryptocurrencies right now, and that's primarily because there is no U.S. regulation on it, and until there is U.S. regulation, majority of those major institutions won't won't be involved until there's regulation, so that they can make sure they're compliant with the regulations. Um, Other than that, it would just be too risky for them to get involved and not know how it's going to affect their bottom line, how it's going to affect their business. But um, so that gives an advantage to us, the retail investors, the common man, the individual. If you're investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you stand the opportunity to make a fortune, a substantial fortune. But you have to be consistent. You have to look for good projects. You have to start doing things different. You have to start learning different skill sets. You have to start learning how to do things like reading charts, right? You have to start learning how to invest in crypto, learning about things like staking, right? How to get rewarded for, holding coins, certain coins. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. You can learn about different ways to play games, different gaming that you can get involved with, that you can earn crypto on. There's literally tons of ways that you can earn cryptocurrencies that you can trade and transfer into a fiat currency if you need it now, or that you can just accumulate those coins, keep them inside of your wallet, and wait for those assets to inflate in price over time. So just tons to go over, tons of fun information that I want to share with you guys. We'll be visiting various websites. We'll talk about how to do research, how to deep dive on projects. We'll talk about the different projects and talk about the different assets. And I'll just try to give you a fair perspective of my evaluation of the projects, what I think of them. And we'll talk about them and see if it's something that you may want to invest in or even talk about. So um, hopefully this video kind of give you an insight about what this channel will be about, what this page will be about. I look forward to any comments inside of the comment box so that we can have a conversation. Let's open up the dialogue and let's talk about cryptocurrencies, because I'm of the belief that there's a major wealth movement and wealth shift that's happening right now, and it's going from paper money to digital money, right? It's all wrapped up in going from paper money to digital money. So you want to be on the right side of history and already have yourself digital money and digital currencies, so that you can take advantage of the shift. Being in the right place at the right time is key. And I believe that this is the right place at the right time for people who looking to invest in solid projects. Now, this isn't financial advice. Um, I'm just a guy on the internet sharing some information and education about different projects that I've been researching on the internet, and just looking to share them with you guys. So leave me any comments inside of the down below in the comment box. Please like the video and give me some feedback, man. Let me know what you guys think. Um, I left a little poll over here in the comment section just to try to find out, do you guys own any crypto? Right? Most basic question, do you even own any crypto? Answer the poll, give me some feedback, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, man. This is ETA. We're going to earn, we're going to trade, and we're going to accumulate crypto. You guys have a blessed day. Peace.